Welcome to The Explainer. Let's be real, the world of tech can feel like a lot. We're constantly drowning in new gadgets and buzzwords, and honestly, it's overwhelming. But what if there was a simple way to make sense of it all? Well, today we're going to break down a really powerful framework that does exactly that. Okay, so let's just start with a feeling we've all had. You open up your phone and you're just bombarded with a dozen new technologies that all sound like the next biggest thing. You've got GPT-3, gene editing, the metaverse. It's just this confusing whirlwind, and it's so hard to see the big picture, to figure out what actually matters. So how do you even begin to sort through all this chaos? Well, the venture capitalist and tech visionary Mark Andreessen has this simple but really powerful idea. The entire tech industry is pretty much always operating in one of two distinct modes. So here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll talk about this confusing moment we're in. Then we'll introduce this two modes framework, we'll get into what it means to be searching versus climbing, see how this all plays out with real companies, and finally, we'll look at why a simple story is such an incredible tool for understanding everything. All right, so the core of this whole thing is a really simple but kind of brilliant analogy. I want you to picture the entire tech landscape as this huge, vast territory, and it's just filled with hills and mountains. Each one of those peaks represents a potential new market or a new technology. So the first mode, that's search mode. Think of yourself as an explorer here. You're not trying to conquer a mountain just yet. You're basically wandering through the fog with a map, just trying to find a promising-looking hill that seems worth the climb. It is all about pure discovery. But once you've found that hill, that big new idea that actually works, you switch gears completely. Now you're in hill climbing mode, and your goal is no longer to explore. The name of the game is getting to the top of that one specific hill as fast and efficiently as you possibly can, refining your gear and scaling up your whole operation for the big ascent. And this right here is the absolute key. Searching and climbing aren't just different things to do. They require fundamentally different mindsets. You need different teams, totally different strategies. I mean, think about it. You can't climb Mount Everest with an explorer's map, and you can't discover a new continent if you're laser focused on just one summit. Let's really put these two side by side. Search mode is all about experimentation. It's about failing fast, listening to users, and just trying stuff until you find something that sticks. But the second you switch to hill climbing mode, the entire game changes. You've already found what works, and now it is a relentless race of pure execution. You're scaling, you're perfecting, and you're expanding as fast as you possibly can. Okay, I know this might all sound a little abstract, so let's make it really concrete. How does this whole search versus climb framework actually play out in the real world with the tech companies we all hear about every day? I want you to think about a brand new startup. Maybe it's just two founders in a garage. They are the absolute definition of search mode. Their job isn't to worry about making a profit or launching massive ad campaigns. Nope. Their single most important job is to experiment like crazy until they find a product people genuinely want, until they find their hill. And this is where so many get it wrong. They try to scale up before they've even found that hill, just burning through cash while climbing in completely the wrong direction. Then you've got the total opposite end of the spectrum. Take the big players in the smartphone market. They found their hill over a decade ago. Today, they are locked in this fierce hill climbing competition. They're optimizing supply chains, tweaking camera specs, and fighting tooth and nail for every single user on their way to the peak. But see, here's their big risk. They get so focused on climbing that they forget to send out any scouts to search for the next big hill, and that leaves them totally vulnerable to being disrupted. So when you boil it all down, the key question a company asks itself tells you everything you need to know about what mode it's in. A startup in search mode is asking, what new market can we possibly create? But an established giant in hill climbing mode, they're asking, how can we dominate the market we already have? Two different modes, two fundamentally different missions. Okay, so we've got this great framework, but why does a simple little analogy like searching and climbing work so well? I mean, it's more than just a clever phrase. It taps directly into how our brains are wired to make sense of complexity. Well, it turns out a powerful narrative is just about the best tool we have for making ideas stick. A good story, a good analogy, it engages us in a way that a dry list of facts just never, ever could. It gives a real structure to all the chaos. And that's really the magic here, isn't it? This framework isn't just for venture capitalists. It's a mental tool for all of us. It takes this abstract idea of tech industry dynamics and makes it tangible. It simplifies a super complex system into two states you can actually understand. And it gives us a way to make sense of the headlines and decide what's really going on. So, I want to leave you with this. Now that you have this framework in your back pocket, how do you see the tech world differently? Which companies do you think are still out there searching in the fog? And maybe more importantly, what's the next great hill on the horizon, just waiting for someone to start climbing?